All right, girls, bring it in, circle it in. First person in line, you are gonna run into the middle over here. You're gonna grab an exercise card. Ready, go!
RUSH stands for Raiders UNLV Sport and Health. And it's a program focused on middle school girls to get them interested in sports so that they'll be more likely to play in high school and then on into adulthood. In addition to flag football is what we're doing here today. We also talk about physical activity, we teach them about nutrition, and then we also have a mental health component.
If y'all need help with the exercise, let the assistants know. Oh, so it's a dragon walk. So it's here. You gotta come here and you're going.
From the public health standpoint, this is a great way to demonstrate how important sport is to the well-being of young people. So we know also there's a crisis of loneliness, there's a crisis of a lack of socialization because of COVID. We know that these kids are facing more anxiety than generations before them, and all of those are things that we can address through sport. Sport helps them to develop teamwork, it helps them to socialize, it helps them to feel more comfortable in their bodies. And so this is really the best mechanism to help these girls to develop a lot of self-confidence.
There you go, now run it down, go to the jump rope.
This is from a super generous gift from the Raiders. We approached them about kind of creating this camp with their football education crew, who's been absolutely spectacular.
It was just a good partnership. We both had the same values of increasing mental and physical health in our youth across Clark County School District, as well as being a football team. We want more girls and boys to play football.
So we have a lot of players that help us out with the RUSH program. I mean, first it's the School of Public Health and the Raiders, but we also work with other departments at UNLV. So we're working with the athletic department, with the sport management department. We work with 3 Square to provide healthy breakfast and lunch for the girls for the program. We work with UNR Cooperative Extension to do the nutrition component of the program. And lastly, we work with the defensive line to provide the mental health component of the program.
We're Team Carbs. What team are we? Team Carbs! Woo! All right. Okay, we're looking for carbohydrates. Hold it up if it's a carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, yes.
Today we're teaching the children about the macronutrients. We're teaching them about carbs, protein, and fats, what they do for our body, and then how to find them and then incorporate them into your diet.
The body's primary source of energy improves sleep and mood. Yes, we got brain power. Go for energy on the right. Energy! Take off your leg bands and run back.
So we're providing support about meditation, gratitude, making sure you reduce your stress through laughing yoga, just finding different ways to help reduce stress. As you exercise your muscles, you have to exercise your brain, and you got to make sure you also look out for any of your peers who may be struggling to get them the help they need, because we know that unfortunately 1 out of 4 students who are in a classroom are thinking about dying by suicide. So making sure that they're healthy and they know the resources are available to get the help they need.
We're also creating a mentorship program. So we've got these college students, we've got professional athletes, we've got middle school girls coming in, and what we want them to have is awesome role models, so they can see what they can be, what the next step might be for them, encourage them to go to college, to get degrees, pursue sports and athletics, and that all these things are possible with a bunch of awesome people that are just like them, that came from the same communities, the same schools, and the same neighborhood.